to figure out. I haven't enrolled any new private coaching clients in probably like the last month and a half. And I've grown my email list quite a bit, done a lot of things to be in front of people. And I've asked for the dance probably more than I usually have. And so I've gotten, well, one I'm still waiting to hear back on. It was just yesterday. But all the rest told me no because they don't have enough money or for some kind of money reason. I mean, am I not finding the right people? Is there something in the discovery session I'm not doing right?
Yeah, possibly, probably all of the above, like for all of us, there's all of those things. But yeah, out of 5 to 6 discovery sessions, we would like to think that you're converting higher than that. But yes, then we got to find out why aren't they converting. The simple middle of the road answer is that people say they don't have money for it when they don't see the value. That's the simple, if we were to start somewhere. So the likelihood is that they don't see the value in it.
Yeah.
Now, sometimes we just don't have money. That's fine. Do you know what I mean? And equally, if someone convinces you enough why you need that, you probably find it. So why don't you give me, and yes, then it's probably your mindset, and yes, then it may be the messaging, like there's all different, ways and objections to money, etc. But let's start middle of the road there.
Okay.
And tell me, because it might also bring up some things of how you're thinking. So tell me, was there 1 or 2 that were really good ideal clients and you would have loved to have worked with them and you knew you could help them and then they just stated money?
Yes. Yeah, the last one in particular that said no, I felt like was an ideal client.
Tell me a little bit who she was, what the conversation was.
Sure. She's a stay-at-home mom. She's got 4 kids. And so I do kind of see, I mean, I know finances are tight being a single income, but her main thing, she had heard me talk a while ago. And we have similar faith beliefs. And so I feel like, we connected, like she just, like our personalities connected well. And she, was able to open up. She, wants to lose weight, but it's really, I think she just wants to feel more confident and happier. And I'm figuring out more and more that that's really what I want to help people with, is just to feel happier and more confident. And she's aware that she doesn't want like another traditional diet, that it's not just about calories. So she kind of has that awareness piece, but just wasn't totally sure where to go next and wanted help with that.
So potentially, we're just going to dig around at some ideas. Potentially, I'm nervous of what you just said around the confidence and happiness piece.
Okay.
Because it's true. At the end of the day, I did a survey last week. Thank you. If anyone here might have filled it in, I sent it to my list and, asked people to do a survey. I strangely somehow thought that people might give me different answers than I've got every other time I've done a survey, but no. It's like every answer falls into 2 categories. They all say different words, but they're the same thing. It's either I'm struggling with confidence or I can't get clients. The thing is, if I put out a confidence offer, I've tried many different variations, it doesn't sell. They'll buy, they get clients. And they actually need the confidence. It's both.
Yeah.
So I just want to be careful, because it's true that, yes, this girl probably wants to lose weight, but ultimately, why does she want to lose weight? It's because she wants to be more confident and happier.
Yeah.
The reason I just said I'm nervous is potentially if you're realizing that, your conversations could be going that way.
Okay.
Now, what happens if I get on a sales call and start talking to people about their confidence? All of a sudden, they don't really know what they're buying. And confidence isn't something, or happiness, that we really think we can buy. So I hope that all of you will improve your confidence through the work here and will find more happiness in all these things. But you didn't buy because of a confidence and happiness course, even though that's probably what you wanted. You wanted more clients, to have a business, so you were confident and happy. So it's the same for your clients, but be careful not to almost allow the sales call to go down that route.
Okay.
Now, on one hand, if it does, we need to go deeper. Confidence and happiness. No one wants confidence and happiness, actually. They want that because of that, what they perceive they will get from that. If Christina's client actually got more confidence and more happy, how might that impact her life?
It's interesting because when I asked her that, because I asked her, what would that do for her if she was happier? And because she started off when I asked her what she wanted, she said she wants to be happier and just feel better about herself.
Sure.
Uh,
She
but yeah,
does.
what?
She does, but it's not what she's going to buy.
Yeah. Yeah, which makes sense. But then when I was asking her what that would do for her, she really didn't have an answer or didn't know. And so maybe that was part of the problem. I needed to dig more there for her to really see that value.
It sounds like it. So the discovery session is going higher and going lower, deeper. So things like better family relationships, achieve goals in life, better relationships with kids and husband, all these things, there will be different triggers behind. I mean, think about it, guys. If you're overweight and it's not going to make any difference in your life if you lose weight, why would you bother? Like, it's not going to change anything. Why would you bother? Most of the time it's because you're going to be more confident or have more self-esteem. But really, where's that even coming from? Probably it's like, I either want to be great for my husband, I'm scared I'll lose my husband, I want to keep up energy with the kids. Like, all these kind of things are really our insecurities of we're not enough.
Yeah.
But we do need to tell people what they're looking for, which is, in this case, it sounds like the weight loss. So it's not that you don't bring the other things in. It's just my sense that when it comes to closing the sale, was there much emphasis on the actual losing weight, the actual exercise, nutrition, like really tangible pieces that you would work on together? Do you know? Like, we want some direction and some guidance.
Yeah.
Of absolutely, like, we're going to get these lunches sorted for you. I'm going to give you my recipes. I'm going to, I don't know, that's just an example. Or, we're going to get really clear on what snacks you have so you're not having that crash in the afternoon. Like, really tangible feeling outcomes.
Okay. Yeah, because I think I've gone back and forth on sometimes in my discovery sessions, I will just I feel like I'm just saying all this different stuff that we'll do, and then it's too much information. So then other times I try to pull it in, and then I probably don't give enough. And so, because I don't want to overwhelm them, but I think I probably do need to include some more tangible pieces, like you just said.
Yeah, and stay focused on why they came to you in the first place. Even though you are digging more on what would that get you and what would that get you, and how would that impact your relationships? How would that impact your job? It is there for them, so you can dig more. But at the end of the day, why did she come to you? What was she looking for?
I think to lose weight.
Yeah. And so black and white, just to give yourself like a critique, like you're looking down on the situation, do you think you sold her weight loss?
Probably not enough, no.
Okay. And that's a good thing if that's the case. Yes, we do all want the bigger thing. Of course, we all want to be enlightened or at least happy on it. You know what I mean? And we do get to places in our life where we're in pain on that. We might be looking specifically for confidence or happiness. I'm not ruling that out. But if she came to you for weight loss, she thinks that is how she's going to get that. So it's good that you talk about those things, but it's unlikely that you've convinced her otherwise in a session, and you shouldn't be trying to change someone's mind. So meet them where they're at, sell them what they're looking for, give them what they actually need.
This coaching corner was a snippet of a laser coaching session in my Upswing Mastermind program, the ultimate 6-month business experience where I support new health coaches to build their clients' cash flow and confidence. To help you get started right away with your own health coaching business, I've put together a free Healthy Wealthy Biz ebook. This is packed with 10 case studies of wellness entrepreneurs who made a great living in their first 6 to 12 months in business. Download the ebook now for expert marketing tips and to find out how they did it so you can do the same. I've dropped the link below this video. If you found this Coaching Corner video useful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. I love to hear your thoughts and takeaways. Thanks so much for watching this episode, beautiful. I will see you next time.